sequence we taught for our weekly Thursday class here at lovely Nightclub. So remember to put that click the like button that you like it. We know you're going to like it. She thinks you're going to like it. And remember to subscribe for a free video every week. It's absolutely free. This is a move from our Up and Over series. So I've taught the first couple. This is the second one. So this is a really cool move. Been taught many times before, first time this year. Off of the whip to 4. So 1, 2, triple step. Ladies are coming down on 1, turning to their right, and they coaster. So without me focusing on me, she will turn 1, 2, when she does her coaster step, coming forward on her right foot. Okay, so what I'm doing that's a little bit different is after 2, I'm going to look over right hand. So 1, 2, because I already got her underneath her left arm. I'm good. For my 3 and 4 is 3 and 4. I'm going to take my left hand and put it on the top of her left hand, which is on top of my right shoulder. I know that sounded like Twister, but it is much more easier just to see it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on top, okay, I'm on my left foot, Stephanie's on her right foot, but that's the connection I need by 4. That's the key to make this next part work. So I want to push 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, 5, 6, just like a regular whip. So we're going to get to 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to make her travel. We're both going to go this way down the track. So I'm going to lift her left hand, make her turn to her right. 5, 6. Now I'm going with her, staying beside her, but I'm also making sure she's taking those 2 steps very fluidly. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 7 and 8, complete the rotation to the right. 7 and 8, I'm going to pick up her right hand with my right hand and pull her forward onto her left foot. I don't want her to anchor there. I want her to continue traveling forward. So I'm going to shift push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up and over. 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you notice, I'm really not, I don't know what right hand is, but I have a feeling I know where it is. If I leave my hand out, enough for her to focus, like this is what I'm looking for, she'll give me her hand. So here, and then I come through into the count. Okay? So moving this way makes it a little bit better. Here, take the hand as I'm turning, and I pull her forward. Okay? That's the key. Pulling her forward, and then we're almost done. So I want to shirt push. How you get out of it. Whole way through is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Pull her forward. Then look over left hand, turn her left, triple step, back, triple step. Okay? You can do a couple things on that if you want. That's the quickest and the smoothest way I've found to get out of this. Okay? But you got to take her up and over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, over 5, 6. Pull her forward, turn her left, back to the right, front to back. Sugar push. Don't hit her in the head. Don't go up and over. Don't hit her in the head. Don't mess her hair up. Come through. Send her through. Okay? That's the key. So again on 5, 6, probably the only part of this that really requires a little bit more time. Step through. Over the head turn. Send her through. And after that it's really easy. But it takes some time. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Really hope you like that one. We bring it back every year because it's a very cool sequence. It works. So fast music, slow music. Good follows kind of help too. Anyway, thank you guys. Have a great week. We will see you next time. And until then, as always,
keep dancing.